Good morning, everybody. My name is Eken Junior, and today I'm going to talk about the internet. In internet, I'm going to talk about its origin, its definition, disadvantages and advantages of internet, and its importance. Let's start with the origin of internet. Internet was created in the 1994 to 1996. It was from a point of view of IT systems. The idea of intranet came from the development of Internet, which is a global network. In 1989, WWW proposed an idea which aim was to enable the connection and access to various sources, and became the prototype for the first internal network. The goal of intranet was to increase employees' productivity and ease the management of industries, like easy access to document, group work, support, etc. What is about intranet? The definition. What is the definition of intranet? As many of us know, intranet is a computer network for sharing information, collaboration tool, and other computing services with organization. Internet cannot be used by outsiders of a company, so intranet is meant only for the company. Intranet can be used as a LAN and as a WAN. LAN, which means local area network, and WAN, which means wide area network. LAN can only be used in short distances, while WAN can be used in large distances. The differences between intranet and extranet. First of all, the contrast of intranet is extranet, and the differences between intranet and extranet is the fact that extranet can be used by outsiders, while intranet cannot be used by outsiders. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of intranet. First of all, let's start with the advantages of intranet. Intranet is used to deliver tools in collaboration, to facilitate work, in sending messages easily, and file projects. Internet can also be used to create forums where discussion can take place, management, ideas, and many other things. In internet, it is very difficult to hack it, and when hacked, it is easy to detect the person who hacked it, because using internet, all activities carried out can easily be tracked. About the disadvantages of the intranet, it is very costly, and when you want to implement it, it consumes much time. So far, an employee to use it well should be able to use it effectively. So for an employee to know really how to use an intranet, he should be like using it daily, in a daily time, so every day, and be used to it. Internet has also a reputation to be complex and cumbersome, in the sense that it makes employees disappointed and annoyed sometimes when using it. Intranet is also very intuitive to use. Users suffers a lot and struggle too much when using it. But although all those disadvantages, internet has some very importance in companies. Internet can help users to locate and view information faster, and use applications relevant to their role and responsibilities. With the help of a web browser's interface, users can access data held in any database the organization wants to make available. Intranet is also important in the sense that it allows organizations to distribute information to employees on as needed basis. Employees may link to relevant information at their convenience rather than being distracted indiscriminately by emails. Also, internet can serve as powerful tool for communication within an organization. Vertically strategic initiatives that have a global reach throughout their organization.